Welcome and study with Tanzania Institute of Education.
Sublimation is a process of separating a mixture in which one of its components will change from solid to vapor without passing the stage of liquid state. The aim of this experiment is to use a process of sublimation to separate a mixture of sodium chloride and iodine by sublimation, where one of the components will separate from the other by sublimation. You will need the following materials and apparatus: a tripod stand fixed with a wire gauze with asbestos, two beakers and a round-bottomed flask, two petri dishes containing the substances we want to mix, a Bunsen burner and gas source. Mix the iodine crystals with the sodium chloride salt into a beaker and shake well to mix. We have our mixture here, but by shaking, you will mix up the salt with the iodine to form a mixture of iodine crystals and sodium chloride crystals, which we shall attempt to separate by a process of sublimation. If you heat this mixture of iodine and table salt very strongly, the iodine will decompose or will melt and form a liquid, and the process won't succeed. Then we have to heat very gently, making sure that the asbestos is preventing strong heating. And then cool the vapors by cold water. We shall put this in the round-bottomed flask. And use this water as the coolant to make sure that the iodine vapors get a cool surface so that they change into solid again. The solid here will change to vapor, and then on the cool surface, crystals will form, which are solids. In this experiment, you have to be careful not to inhale too much of iodine vapors. I may look whether crystals have formed below the conical flask. In this separation process, we have been able to separate iodine from its mixture with sodium chloride. Sodium chloride has remained in the beaker, while iodine has changed into vapors. You can see the vapors there, and condensed at the cold surface and at the round-bottomed flask. As you can see, crystals have formed at the bottom of the round-bottomed flask, which is containing cold water. The sodium chloride, which was in the mixture, has remained in the beaker, which contained the mixture. By so doing, iodine and sodium chloride have been separated.
Study, be educated, elimuni kazi. Elimuni kazi. Learn, Let's study, be educated,